Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you the 5 best Samsung Smart TV apps you should have. First is Samsung TV Plus. It is free and already built into your TV. You get live channels, movie, news, sports and kids content with no subscription. Next is Netflix. It is must-have for movies and TV show. You get exclusive original smart recommendations and amazing 4K quality. Third is Amazon Prime Videos. It offers a huge collection of movies and series plus exclusive Prime originals. You can also rent or buy the latest releases. Fourth is Disney Plus, perfect for families and fans of Marvel, Star Wars, and animated movies. It also has high quality original shows and documentaries. Last is Tubi. It is completely free and packed with movies, shows, and live channels. No sign up needed, just watch and enjoy. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel. Thank you for watching.